is about, you're definitely guessing one of those things. You know what I mean? Like he got his heart broken, he lost a loved one. All right, today I'm checking out Jackson Browne. I'm listening to the song Birds of St. Mark's. Let's get into it.
Oh, how sad they sound, the songs the queen must sing of dying, a prisoner upon her throne, the melancholy sighing. If she could see her mirror now, she would be free of those who bow and scrape the ground beneath her feet. Silently she walks among her dying midnight roses, and watches as each moment goes that never really knows her. And so it seems she doesn't care if she has dreams of no one there within the shadows of her room. Time to call back all the birds I sent to fly behind her castle walls. And I'm weary of the nights I've seen inside these empty halls. Wooden lady, turn and turn among my weary secrets.
This is super sad beautiful, you know, like funeral style beautiful. And I don't think it's a funeral song. It could be. They were talking about dying. Oh wait, it was the roses. Okay, yeah, probably not a funeral for roses. Silently she walks among her dying midnight. I just remember, oh, he was talking about dying. I'm not trying to grasp onto lyrics, but it's just one of those sounds that's very relaxing. Super sad, probably like a breakup. Super sad breakup or death or funeral. It's got to be in that area just based on the sound. If you heard this just as an instrumental and someone said guess what the song is about, you're definitely guessing one of those things. You know what I mean? Like he got his heart broken, he lost a loved one, or like he, you know, so I guess really one of those two, gotta be.
Wooden lady, turn and turn among my weary secrets, and way within the hours past and other empty pockets. Maybe we found what we have lost when we've unwound so many crossed and tangling misunderstandings. But all my frozen words agree and say it's time to call back all the birds I sent to fly behind her castle walls. And I'm weary of the nights I've seen inside these empty halls.
See, the lyrics are all poetic and stuff. That's why I don't know literally what this song is about. And I'm just guessing. I'm just guessing from the sound of the song, but it's at least about a lady, right? A wooden lady or whatever. Get all his birds from going flying behind her castle walls. Like, I don't know what any of this poetic, abstract lingo means. I don't know what any of it means, but the song, especially that piano, that is funeral piano. And sometimes it's love song piano. It sounds like funeral piano, but this can't be that. No, this one actually feels like sad. Between the vocals and the music, it all feels super sad. So it's like he's maybe in deep emotional pain, or lost a loved one, or both. Because if you lost a loved one, be in deep emotional pain, but you also could be in deep emotional pain from many different other life circumstances. But it's like that beautiful sad sound.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.